The grass is always greener on the other side. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. The grass is always greener on the other side because we often perceive others' lives as better than our own. However, it's essential to remember that appearances can be deceiving. Comparing ourselves to others can lead to discontentment and unhappiness. Instead, we should focus on cultivating gratitude for what we have and making the best of our own situations. It's crucial to remember that everyone faces challenges and has their fair share of difficulties. Instead of longing for someone else's life, we should strive to create our own version of success and happiness. We can achieve this by setting meaningful goals, working hard, and staying true to ourselves. By taking ownership of our lives and embracing our unique journey, we can find fulfillment and overcome any obstacles that come our way. The grass is indeed greener where we water it. So let's nourish our own paths and make them flourish. The grass is always greener on the other side. But have you ever stopped to question why you feel this way? The answer lies in our tendency to compare ourselves to others, often based on appearances alone. However, this constant comparison can lead to a cycle of dissatisfaction and unhappiness. Instead, let us shift our focus towards finding contentment and fulfillment in our own lives. By practicing gratitude for what we have and embracing our unique journeys, we can cultivate a sense of self-assurance and create our own version of success. Remember, success is not determined by external factors, but rather by our ability to find joy and purpose in the present moment. It's time to stop yearning for someone else's life and start watering our own grass. The grass is always greener on the other side, or so we often believe. This mindset can lead us down a path of constant comparison and dissatisfaction. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we looked at our own grass and realized that it's not about how green it is compared to others, but how well we tend to it? By focusing on our own lives and nurturing our own dreams and aspirations, we can find fulfillment and true happiness. It's time to stop longing for what others have and start appreciating the beauty in our own lives. The grass is greener where we water it. So let's start nourishing our own patch and watch it thrive. The grass is always greener on the other side, or so the saying goes. But what if we took a closer look at our own side of the fence? What if we realized that the grass is only greener where we choose to water it? By redirecting our focus towards our own lives and goals, we can create a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.